Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common challenge many apartment dwellers face, the absence of washer and dryer hookups. But fret not. We've got some ingenious solutions for you. Let's jump right in. Hey there, apartment enthusiasts. If you've ever wished for a washer and dryer setup in your apartment that doesn't have hookups, you're in luck. We've scored the options and gathered the best alternatives for you. Say goodbye to those inconvenient trips to the laundromat or hauling your laundry to a friend's place. With these solutions, you'll have the convenience of doing laundry from the comfort of your own home. Option 1. Portable washing machines. These compact wonders are designed to fit seamlessly into your apartment space. Portable washing machines are not only space efficient, but also surprisingly powerful. They come in various capacities and can handle different load sizes. Just plug it into a regular outlet, connect it to your sink, add water and detergent, and you're good to go. Option 2. Ventless dryers. No need for a traditional dryer hookup anymore. Ventless dryers use innovative technology to dry your clothes without the need for an external vent. These dryers are energy efficient and can fit into tight spaces. Some even have the capability to wash and dry in the same unit. Talk about efficiency. Option 3. All-in-one washer-dryer combo. The ultimate laundry solution for compact living. If you're short on both space and time, these combo units are your best bet. They wash and dry your clothes in a single drum, making laundry day a breeze. While they might have a slightly longer cycle, the convenience they offer is unparalleled. Before you rush out to get your laundry set up, here are some installation tips to keep in mind. Ensure you have the necessary plumbing connections and power outlets. Measure your available space accurately to choose the right-sized appliance. And remember, always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation and maintenance. And there you have it, 3 fantastic alternatives for adding a washer and dryer to your apartment without traditional hookups. Thanks for tuning in, apartment dwellers. Don't let the lack of hookups dampen your laundry spirits. Embrace these modern solutions and make your laundry routine a whole lot easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more apartment living tips.